guys, what's up? We're back with some more level crosses fun. So here we are on Megaloughton Lane level crossing in Derbyshire. So they built a new miniature in 2020. It's 5 years ago. So let me read this. Stop, pedestrian. Oh, it started now, just in time. So red light shows we must wait. It's the sound. Wait for the green if no light. Do not cross. Here comes train to the EM fast. It's time to green now. So look both ways. No trains. So you can cross safely. So this one is the gates are better, it's safe because cyclists dismount. And this is a miniature level crossing in Derbyshire. I never been that before. It's a new level. This is the new level crossing miniature. So look. Caution, oncoming trains can be hidden by other trains. Look both ways. Do not cross until all lines are clear. So it'll be a different. That's the telephone crossing. And that's a call for the level crossings. Megaloughton Lane. Megaloughton crossing. To contact rail, phone 01332 263 688. And the miniature level crossing is very bright and green. Wow, I like it. Wait, that's nice. The red light shows. So cross safely, hurry up. So no trains. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again with another video. Bye.